Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Maps and CarPlay quickly and easily. This lets you use Google Maps right from your car's display, making navigation simpler and safer while you drive. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, ideally iOS 17 or later. Then, update or download the Google Maps app, if you haven't done that recently. After that, open your iPhone settings. Go to General, then CarPlay. Select your car from the list. If it doesn't show up, connect your phone to your car, using a USB cable or wirelessly if your car supports it. Next, tap Customize to see the list of apps available in CarPlay. Find Google Maps and drag it higher on the list if you want it to show on the first page when CarPlay launches. Now, when you connect your phone to your car, the CarPlay interface will appear automatically. Just tap Google Maps to open it and set your destination just like you would on your phone. That's all there is to it. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.